Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Last class we discussed dual table concept in SQL. Okay. So by using dual table we calculate calculations. Okay. Dual table is a rough table or dummy table that consists of only one column and one row. Okay, we use only for one row and one column. That table can be used. That is a default table. We not create that table. That is a default table. Okay. Next, coming to today's class. Okay. Today we discuss about the concept of column aliases. When you are writing select command statements, so when you are getting data from the database server, we use column names, table column names. We use table column names according to table column names. But here we specify according to our requirement. We change the column names. Okay, that is column aliases. We give our own name for that column name when you are displaying the data or query. Okay, when you are writing queries, we use instead of table names, we use alias name. Alias name means pet name. You know very well alias name. Okay. So suppose one example. Here employee table consists of all these columns. So this employee table EMP. EMP is a table name. Okay. In that EMP number, the actual column name is here EMP number. But this represents employee number. It represents employee number. Okay. But we use here EMP number. My intention is, instead of using this EMP number, I specify column aliases with my intention name, that is employee number. Okay. So we use our own interested names. Those are called as column aliases. Okay. See here ename. Simply we write column names, or we write with simple names. Some codes we use here. Okay. We replace those codes, column names, with our interested names. Here ename means employee name. It represents employee name. I write column alias name here for this column is employee name. Like that here sal. Sal means salary of the employee. I write full form of this salary instead of sal. Okay. Here sal is original name. Salary is column alias name. I write column aliases by in this select statement by using one keyword as. So as is a keyword, as is a keyword. By using this keyword, we write column aliases. We frame column aliases. But these column aliases are temporarily used in that select statement only. Suppose I write here column aliases for all these columns are my interested columns. Okay. What I am interested, then I write those columns with column aliases. Okay, but the column alias not change the original column name. In database server, they are not changed. The original name is same. But we display, when we display the output, in that output, okay, we display according to our requirement of the column aliases. Okay, but column alias is not reflected in the original table. Original table having EMP number, ename, sal, DEPT number. They are not changed. When you are creating a table, when you are creating a structure, we define these column names. Okay, we define these column names. Suppose we change in that data structure, column names, not temporarily, permanently, then we go for alter command. By using alter command, we change the column names in the given data structure. Okay, but here we not change the column names, just we give some alias name in that select statement. So alias names are used for only in the select statement, that is valid only from that select statement only. Suppose I write one alias name for this employee name, EMP number, sal, DEPT number. Okay, that names are reflected in that select statement only, not reflected in the database server. Choose some of the examples for this column alias concepts. See here. Okay, I take here employee table, EMP. Here table name is EMP. This one is schema, database schema. Okay, they are given employee table with these column names. Here EMP number, ename, sal, DEPT number. Okay, these are column names. Then we select, okay, all these tables data by using select star from EMP. Up to now we use select star from EMP. Okay, select star from EMP. It displays all the details of the employee table. For example, this table consists of 4 rows. For example, this table database consists of 4 rows. It displays output. 4 rows are selected. 4 rows are selected. If this table consists of 4 rows, it displays all the 4 rows and it displays the 4 rows are selected. Okay. So it displays only EMP number, ename, sal, DEPT number as column names. It displays 4 employees data. Suppose employee number 1, 2, 3, 4. It displays all the data in this table. Okay, understood my point. Here it displays only these column names. Why? Because we not specify any column aliases here. Okay, that's why it displays only column names here. Suppose I specify in the select statement with the column aliases, then what will happen? See this example. Okay, next here I write with the column aliases. How to write column aliases in our select statements? Okay, so select statement, select MySQL, select, yes, I write here EMP number, column name. I write first column name EMP number. Here I write one keyword as EMP number, original table name as alias name. Alias name is we give our interested name. Whatever you interest, you give that name. You give your, okay, your name also as acting as a column name. Okay, here I specify EMP name, column alias name. I am giving here employee number. See this employee EMP number as employee number. We use double quotations here. Okay, we use double quotations here. See, select EMP number as, okay, when we are using column aliases, we specify double quotations. Why? Because I specify here double quotations. Here I use column names with 2 words. If you are using more than 1 word, we specify in that alias name in double quotations. Suppose I specify only 1 word, we not use any quotations. So double quotes are we use in that column alias name. Okay, next here ename as employee name. See here employee name is placed in double quotes. Next, so up to now only I specify two columns. Next column, shall. So I specify shall with the keyword as, before specifying as, after specifying as, we leave one space, at least one space. So that's why we leave here one space. Salary. See, salary. We use single quotes, otherwise we not use any single quotes here. Why? Because here only one word. Here only one word. That's why we will not specify any single quotes or double quotes here. Okay. If you are using double quotes, that one is also valid. No problem. So, without specifying double quotes or with specifying double quotes, both are valid when you are using one word. But we specify more than one word, compulsory we specify that those word column aliases in double quotations. Understood my point? Next, type here, comma, then I specify, okay, shall after that DEPT number. DEPT number as department number. Department number. So that's why I specify here two words are there. That's why I specify here double quotations. Here we not specify double quotation. Why? Because here it is a single word. You specify double quotations, is it this one also valid? Without specifying double quotes, that one also valid. Both are valid. Okay. See, next, select EMP number, ename, shall, department number from which table? EMP table. See here, EMP table. From EMP semicolon. EMP semicolon. So then it displays the output. Okay. Up to now we use only column names. But this time we use here column names with alias name. This one is alias name with keyword as. Understood my point? Here I use as keyword. This one is original table name. This one is column alias name. So when you are displaying this query result, this one is query. When we display the result query, it displays the, instead of this column name, it displays this column name with output. So it displays all these column names. But the original table doesn't change these values. Original table having all these values, but our output display with these column. So this column aliases not reflected in the original table. They are not changed. Okay, they are not changed. But in our output, according to our interest, we change the original label, replace the original label with original name with column alias name. Okay, these column aliases are valid only for this query only. This query only. So these column aliases valid only for this select statement only. When we write another select statement, we use another column aliases or same column aliases. So column aliases valid only for one select statement. That's why they are temporarily. They are temporarily used in our select statement, not used for permanent purpose. We change the permanently in that our database tables, then we go for alter command. Alter table name, then we change the column definition. So that is different concept. Okay, this displays this okay, following output. So that is the output here. It displays the output. When we are executing this command, it displays, so employee number, employee name, salary, department number. Okay, so this one is, it displays the following output. So it displays all these column names in this way. So here column names are changed. Up to now we use only these column names, but this case it displays In place of EMP number, it displays employee number. In place of ename, it displays employee name. In place of salary, it displays salary. In place of DEPT number, it displays department number. And it displays the output. Suppose this table having all these 4 columns, all these 4 rows, it displays the following output. So this is the concept of column aliases. Okay, so when you are using column aliases, only these column aliases valid for only for this query only. We write another query, we use another column aliases or same column aliases. So column aliases valid only for one single select statement. Okay, next I write one more same table name. Okay, I write different column aliases with different queries. Here, employee number is having column alias. Employee name, we not change the name of the employee name here. We not go for column alias. Here we go for column alias. Here also we go for column alias. So it displays the following output. How it displays the output? See, observe this. Query result. This one is query. We display the query result. Okay. I display the query result as here. First we change EMP number. I write here employee number. Employee number. Second one we not change here. That's why it display directly ename. Here I change salary. Here I change column name, I write column name, replace with that column alias. Here I write here department number. See, so this one it displays the following output. See, here employee number 1, 2, 3, 4. They are displayed. Remaining contains in this. See, observe here. First one displayed with this employee NO. Second one not changed. Third one salary. Fourth one department number. So we write column alias with the keyword yes. That's why they are displayed or replaced with this column alias names. In this way we write, okay, according to our requirement, according to our interest, we write these column names with the keyword yes. Next, I take one more example here. 22/7 pi value. Okay, this 22/7, this one is calculated. This one is calculated. So this one is last class we had calculations in select statement. But this calculation can be termed as, actually this one is column name. And this value displayed 3.14159. That can be displayed, okay, with the column name, column alias name here pi. This one is output. When you are executing this statement, it displays the following output. Here, actual column name is 22/7. But here we replace that column name with pi. Here we not specify any double quotes. Observe this. We not specify any double quotes. Why? Because here we use only single name, only single word. That's why we not specify here any double quotes. Okay. Next, here it displays the following output. Pi 22/7 value. It displays, okay, single row, single column, single row. This one is column name. This one is column name. This one is row. It displays the value. It displays value. Here 22/7 value is 3.14159. See, 3.14159. This one is the output. Okay, in this way we write calculations and any column names. Okay, by using as keyword we replace our column names with alias names. That is the concept.